And how it's gon' blow up. And Kira did the same to make you throw up. I was talking about Kush models, TSXV. I was talking about I ain't this and what they gon' be. It was BBO. We gave you all the answers. TRXT. Shit, you know it's cancerous. Don't forget about Afrio. We brought you in the harvest. But why you hate on the kid? Shit, that shit is fun. Since the 52 we low. That's just how it go. Rich TV is here. Yeah, we're about to make some dope. Right on everything in January. Shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in the backwood. Yeah, we pumping clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert.
What's poppin'? You guys like my suit? Like what? Calvin Klein? It's your boy. It's your boy. Who else rocks a suit like this on YouTube, yo? One day with a hat, next day with a suit, next day in a Speedo? Shit. Oh, damn. We have been trading naked, but since I'm live, I decided to put some clothes on. We have been trading naked. Our entire community, if you're not in the Telegram, you need to get in the Telegram. You need to jump in the Telegram. People are trading naked. It's true. But since we're live, I thought I'd put some clothes on for you guys. Don't want to have any problems. Well, do you guys know what MMSDF is? No, we are trading naked. In the Telegram, we have been winning and we have been trading naked. And it's been working. And we're very superstitious at Rich TV Live. So we have been trading naked. It all started with Yoda. Yoda, when he wins, he likes to streak. So, we're trading naked. Trading naked. So you're wondering why I'm dressed up. It's not because I want to look good for you guys today, but that's a part of it. I'm going to be doing an interview with a company called Cana One Technologies, symbol CNNA. Stay tuned. That's later today. But in addition to that, your boy has a special gift for you, okay? This is a gift from the gods. It's a gift from the gods. The stock gods, and I'm not talking about Sergio. And thank you, Sergio, for IGNG and for oils. And now the whole community is blowing up and coming together, and more RTOs are being discovered, and more winners are being discovered. So there's a winner. Hey, Joe. Yo, Joe. I'm going to call you about MMS. Is that okay? Because I want to introduce you to the guy who brought me into MMS. Can I do that? Are you guys okay with that? If I bring Joe on the line? Yo, Joe. Is that cool, man? You available? Let's see. Let's see if Joe's available. Let's just see. This is Joe's deal, guys. This is Joe's deal. Hey. So I'm in on MMS, bro. I got 30,000 shares.
What do you buy in
I bought in at 12 cents, 10,000 shares, and then I bought 20,000 shares at 10.5 cents.
Shit, I told you to buy in at 2 cents, but
no, I know, but I didn't get in at 2 cents. And then once I saw the news come out that they did a $4 billion deal, like what? You don't think this is going to go higher than 10 cents?
I think so. It opened at it was at 14.5 cents today.
So I want you to, we're live, eh? Just so you know. So, okay, so I want you to explain, yo, everybody's watching you, Joe, and this is your pick. And a lot of people bought it, just so you know. I told them I bought it, and they instantly went and bought it. And I told them not to buy what I bought, but people don't listen. So people that are in the Telegram group, because I bought it, just went and bought it.
But they got to buy it at the right prices, right?
Of course they got to buy it at the right prices. But the thing is, it was halted, and then it opened up, and we didn't.
It was selling on the OTC for 30 cents this morning.
Which is why I thought when it was at 10 cents or 12 cents, it'd be at a huge discount.
Yeah.
So let me ask you, did you sell?
Nope.
Okay, good. Because I saw a lot of selling, and I was like, yo, I'm wondering if Joe is selling, because I know you were pissed off, right?
Everybody sells on Friday, goes bucks up. I think we're at the party, and we got 50 hot chicks there, and there's just me and you there, and we're just like, beat it.
So that's what I'm saying. So it's still early, right? Like even at 10 cents, it's still early, right?
Well, we got 50 dime hot chicks there. We'll wait for the real hot chick to come in, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. So what you mean by that is you're not interested in selling. What do you think a stock is worth that's getting $4 billion in revenue in 10 years?
That's exactly
at least a few dollars. At least a few dollars. I don't know one.
Look at that stock and see what its high was at. Go look. See what that high. Did you see already?
No, I haven't. I'm pulling it up right now.
Go look. You're gonna laugh. Go look at the 5-year high or whatever. If it runs back up to that, you get in at 2 cents, 4 cents.
What do you think? Like, what about the management in this team? Is it good management?
Well, I bought my last pick through those guys. I bought it at a stock called LG. I bought it for 7 cents. It only went to 95 cents or a little over $1. But if you're not happy with those kind of returns, I guess
that's about 15x. That's about 15 times your money. That's pretty huge.
No, that's more than 15 times your money. At 7 cents and it went to 95 cents.
Yeah, that's about 15 times. Because 10 times would be 70 cents, right? So it's probably about 14 times your money. Well, 13, 14 times your money.
What does that work out percentage?
About 1,300%.
Yeah, there you go. So if you're happy with 1,300% on your money, I guess that's right. But I don't know. Some people are greedy.
No, I know.
100%. That's pretty good return on my money, but
I probably. So it's trading at 9 cents in Canada. I probably jumped the gun. I'm not gonna lie. I tell you, guys, don't just buy it because I'm talking about it. Like, don't just buy it because you heard it on Rich TV Live. Like, buy it because if you buy it because you love it. Well, I'm just looking at the chart here.
The same owners as them, or the same management team as them. The LG, I bought that stock at 7 cents, ran up to let's say $1. I saw it dipping at around 80 cents. I sold out, and I turned I don't know, whatever the math adds up to. So I think I bought a couple 100,000 shares.
So the high I see here, the high I see here is 55 cents in America. Is that correct? Like that's the highest it's ever been. No, am I correct? I don't know why.
How long is that going back?
5 years.
I think before that it was up at $4 at one point.
Oh yeah, you're right. I see $1.32 in 2011. But that was like 8 years ago. That was like 8 years ago. So
okay, well.
So you're
$1.32 at US. That's US price, right?
That's the U.S. price, correct? So that's like $2 Canadian.
So let's say $2. So 10 cents to $2. I'm happy with that return.
Well, yeah, I mean that was before they had a $4 billion deal.
Yeah, exactly.
That's why I got into it. Honestly, the reason why I bought it is because I saw it would go to 30 cents in America. So I'm like, if it's at 30 cents,
it was at 30 cents on the OTC market.
So if it's at 30 cents in America and it's at right now 9 cents in Canada, like something's up here, like something's not making sense, right? So yeah.
Something happened. Yeah, something happened to the caller for a second.
Yeah, no, I'm here. I'm here.
So the high today, if you look, it was 14.5 cents. And everybody's just taking profit. They buy at 10, they sell at 14. Like, you buy it right now at 9. Next week it goes to 14.5, 15, whatever, you know. Like, this morning it was, like you said, it was 30 cents on the OTC, and that's US, right? 30 cents US is 40 cents Canadian.
Yeah, this thing has been doing some wacky stuff. Very wacky stuff. At the end of the day, I think a company that's
wacky is like my one boy's in there for like he's got millions of shares.
Wow.
And he couldn't get into for some reason like he didn't realize. I said, well, sell it on the OTC market in the States. He's like, it's halted. I'm like, yeah, but you can still sell it in the States. Canada jams you. I don't know why.
Yeah, because Canada has a circuit breaker. In Canada, we have a circuit breaker. So if a stock goes up more than, I think it's like 20 or 30% in one day, either up or down, then it breaks the circuit breaker. So since it was up 100%.
So Canada gets right up the poop chute with like a hot sauce and some barbed wire, because the U.S. can take advantage of it, but the Canadians can't. Probably because of the TFSA. Because you can make, you know what I mean? Imagine you put your 63,000 all TFSA into that stock. It goes from 2 cents to
$2.
$1. Yeah, $2. Like I bought my other one like that. I bought it at 26 cents. This company XMG, which I don't know. They've been doing a lot of promoting. I got in at that one. It was like probably 3 years ago with 26 cents. I bought it. Boom! Within 2 weeks, $2.80, $2.70, something like that. I'm up like 1,500%. I don't remember, some crazy number. I'm up on my money. So it was up like 2,900%. I don't remember what the percentage was, but I was like, wow. And I'm like, I'm in within 2 weeks, and I'm like, you know what? I'll probably just start going up, because my buddy was telling me that my one buddy gives me a lot of good picks, and I put it on that one, and bang! Within 2 weeks, I'm up. I only put in like $6,000. My $6,000's worth like $150,000.
Holy shit! Are you talking about XM? You're talking about XMG?
Yeah.
Oh shit! And you didn't sell, right?
No.
Guys, you gotta sell. You gotta sell.
Yeah, you gotta start selling stuff like that. Like I was.
Hey Joe, let me ask you a question. How many shares do you have of MMS? If you don't mind me asking.
I think not that much. Maybe 250,000, something like that. 200,000.
250,000 shares. Damn. So you were up like you would have been up like a few $100,000, but the TSX pretty much halted it and screwed you, correct?
Yeah.
Oh.
And my buddy with the million plus. My one buddy's got 8.
So dirty.
Like he's got like 8 million in warrants apparently.
Wow. 8 million shares in warrants?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Oh, so he works with the company.
No, I don't know the exact deal.
8 million warrants. Wow.
Maybe he's got 800,000 shares, but I'm pretty sure he said 8 million. No, but I don't know. I was so busy yesterday. Like honestly, my head was spinning with like I was trying to, on the OTC, I was trying to sell at 25, 30 cents. Today, I put in the bid, and for some reason it didn't get filled. Then I was talking on the phone with you, and you said it opened. So I hung up the phone on trying to sell it over the counter, and it starts going down. Like, was it 14.5 cents, right?
And that's when I was like, holy shit, and we were talking about it, and I was like, bro, it just got on halted, and I was like, shit, I gotta go, we gotta buy it. So, because you already had some, I just went to run and buy some.
Yeah, but I wouldn't have bought it right. I would wait to see what happens for a few minutes, because it started. It's Friday, right? I wish they opened that on Monday. If that would have opened on Monday instead of Friday.
No, but you know what happened? You know what happened, right? They put out their news about the $4 billion deal. And then the Canadian Securities Exchange said that there was some discrepancies.
Switch on it.
Yeah, there was some discrepancies with the press release, and there was some material changes in the press release that needed to be changed. So they put out a new press release, halted the security while the new press release was being put out, took out all the steam out of the stock, created a massive amount of panic. So then what happened is by the time they took the halt off, and it was up already 100%, I'm sitting here thinking, fuck, everybody's just selling because it's already up anyways. So anybody that was in is taking their 100% anyways. And then on top of that, you know, people probably panic selling because they put out the press release, stock exploded, and then they had to do an alteration to the press release. At the end of the day, they're still getting $4 billion. So,
well, that's what happened with XMG. They put out some false news release. They got halted at 270. They got halted. They put out that release. People bought, went to $2.70, and then it went down, and then it was at about $1.50. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy. I only had I put like $6,000-7,000 in because I wasn't too sure of that company, and that was at my TFSA. If I would have sold, I would have been up like close to $200,000 in profit on my TFSA side.
Wow, that just makes me sick when when you find a pick, you're right on the pick, the news hits, it explodes, and then you can't even sell your stock.
And then you get halted.
I feel for you, bro. I feel for you. That's like $200 grand. That's like a villa somewhere. You know what I mean?
Yeah, but with me, I'm never happy. I want more, right? So
no, I know.
I was like, whatever, 200,000 isn't that much, right? But when I look in hindsight, I'm like, fuck, my paychecks and this and that. I'm like, fuck, that would have been good money.
Well, no, 200,000 is a lot of money. I mean, for anybody and everybody. So, you know, whatever. I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. I hope that it goes back up and then you'll be able to make even more, bro. Like, I'm in it with you. I don't got 250,000 shares. I'd like to get 100,000 shares. I'm going to watch it carefully. If it goes down more, I'm going to try to pick some up. I got 30,000. I'd like to get 100,000 and just hold this bad boy because I think it's going to go to at least $1 long term. I mean, if we're willing to wait, I think it's going to go to at least $1, at least.
Yeah. So if it does that, my one buddy didn't sell, and he's got over 1 million shares. If he sells all, let's just say he sells all 1 million, people are going to start panicking too. But realistically, I think he put a bid out. He put a bid out yesterday at 25 cents. It didn't get filled OTC. Then today it came out, and then it went down to like 20 cents. And today it opened up at around
14.
I don't know if you have the charts in front of you. No, 30 on the OTC, 30 US.
Oh, yeah.
US. So, and then boom, we were talking, and we hung up the phone, and now, right now, let me check. I gotta pay attention. I wasn't paying attention yesterday, and I lost all time.
It's all good, man. It happens.
Yeah, look at ECB taking profit. You got taking profit, everybody.
And we knew this. I mean, I got pretty much out of all my cannabis stocks. Today I sold MedMan. Today I sold Ianthus. I sold Aurora earlier this week because I felt like there was resistance at $13. So I just been waiting for this pullback because it was obvious it was coming. But there's still opportunities everywhere. Like, we're literally getting into this opportunity with MMS in the beginning.
Oh,
Like, we're the first ones talking about it right now.
Well, MMS,
On YouTube. Nobody else on YouTube has talked about MMS. I haven't heard anybody talk about it. So we're the first ones to talk about it again. We're the first ones to find it again. We're the first ones to discover it again. Now, if it goes up or down, I think it's going to go up. I'm betting it's going to go up. I'm investing and believing it's going to go up. You got in at 2 cents?
I bought more at 2 cents. I got in originally at, I believe, 5 cents. I bought more in at 2 cents. It was all over the place. It was up at 12 cents at one point, down to 2. Like, I saw it drop down. I was like, wow, I'm going to buy a little bit more. I wish I bought more, but like you saw what I'm in for. Like, I'm in for a hefty chunk, right?
Oh, I know. You're big with T-God. You're like the man with, you're the T-God man.
Well, T-God, I got in at pre-IPO. I got in at 50 cents a share, maximum 20,000 shares. And then the second round was $1.15. You get 7,500 shares. And then the third round was $1.65. I asked my friend, I said, well, what are you putting in it? And in my head, I said to myself, whatever he says, because he plays a little bit tight, and I play a little bit looser, I said, whatever he puts in, I'm going to put in double. He says his number, I put in double.
Wow.
And I loaded up. And then I wanted to put in another same amount as I put in the last time I bought the third round, because I came with warrants, and they're coming out with what's it called? T-God's coming out with another company, the spin-off company, or
yeah, I don't know the name of it, but I know what you're referring to.
So my warrants, I get the bucket those that the share, I get 15% of share. I get to buy 15% of the shares with what I own. So what I own now, basically, I get to buy 50% of that at 50 cents a share. I believe that's what it's going to be. So
great. That's amazing. That's like 10 times your money already. T-God's at like what, $5 right now?
It was around 5.85. At one point, it was almost close to 10, but I couldn't sell till November 2nd, right? And then as soon as October 18th came around, I knew it was going to drop like a rock, everything, which it did. And then I loaded up on ACB, like it was $6.20. I bought another $50,000 worth of ACB at $6.20, and then it went up to like $13.80, and then I bought that on margin. I sold at $13.80, so I basically doubled up and paid off my margin. I don't like owing money, and I'm already in for a good chunk, right? Like, you saw roughly what I'm in for. I'd say that's a hefty number. And that's just one account, right? I got a couple of accounts, so at the one bank, I think you saw my number I'm in for, and I'm up. Like, if I listen to the bank, you guys are morons. If I listen to the bank, I'd be up about 5% of my money. When I go to the bank, they look at my FSA and they look at my account and they're shaking their head, going, "You're supposed to have 63,000 in your GFSA. Maybe like it should be worth about 75,000 or mine, and it's up like, you know what I mean, some crazy numbers that are like, how the hell did you do that?" I'm like, I said, you buy the right stocks, lady. They try to put you in safe stocks. Even my vet for my dog, I tell the guy, I've been telling him, buy T-Guy, I told everybody, buy T-Guy, 50 cents a share. It's going to be a monster. The people that listen to me are loving me. The people who didn't are kicking themselves, right?
Absolutely. Of course.
And MMS I told you to buy a while ago, and now you're kicking yourself. But and then I told you another one the other day, and it ran up huge quick. I don't even remember which one it was. What was the last one I said? It was basically 5 cents. It went to 20 or 25 cents. I sold it right off.
Well, the key is buy low, sell high, ride momentum. And once you see the momentum is losing, as far as I'm concerned, move out. Move on to the next deal. I don't know. That's just kind of my opinion. Unless you're a long-term holder, if you're trying to ride momentum, then look for momentum. If you're in something and it's not moving, then just put that money into work for you. You're like, your money's supposed to make money for you, right? So one thing I've been really learning with momentum trading is, I know I'm up like 28 grand last 2 weeks just doing momentum trading. Okay. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, whatever, but for someone that has a smaller account or for an average trader, it's a lot. So I started trading with new money with 27 grand 2 weeks ago, and my account's now up to 55,000. So my account's more than doubled in 2 weeks. And all I've been doing is riding momentum. I've been looking for bottoms and riding momentum. And then when I buy something and it doesn't move, I literally just been selling for like break even or small profit or even a small little loss, insignificant. And then I'm taking that money and moving it back into stuff that's moving. And then once I'm up like at least, 100, 200, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, I just take it. I just take it. And I'm pulling it off the table, pulling it off the table. That's all I've been doing the last 2 weeks. It's been working.
Here's another pick. This one's going to go big too, which I've said many of times to you. OddsCan.
Yeah, I like them. They're really dirt cheap.
What do you mean you like them? You said LABS did a deal with them. Canopy did a deal with them. And they're at like 33 cents right now. They were at $1.50. I don't know. You can read the chart.
Yeah, it's dirt cheap. It's dirt cheap. But like anything else, it has no momentum. So if you want to buy those types of stocks, you got to buy it and be willing to wait.
I'm willing to wait. That's why I don't sell.
Yeah.
I don't play I don't.
You're a long-term holder.
Yeah.
That's
I'm
fine.
a long-term holder. It's too stressful to, like, I make 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 grand in 1 week holding, and then you'll lose 20 grand, 30 grand in 1 day. But over the long term, one day it's going to be back up. Tuesday or Wednesday. I also think platinum and silver are going to go for a ride.
Platinum and silver. So Joe is in the commodities business, guys, and he believes that platinum and silver are undervalued and that they are going to go up in price. So if anybody is interested in commodities, Joe believes that silver and platinum are undervalued. All right, Joe, I just wanted to get your opinion, bro, on MMS. I just wanted to let you know that myself and a whole bunch of members have participated or are in on the company. So if you know anybody within the company, I'd love to get them on our show, maybe do an interview. I don't know if you can hook that up, but if you could, I'd love to do it. And, we'll be watching the pick. And it's nice that I'm in you gave me that recommendation. I know I bought a little too high, but at least I'm in. So I'll let you know if I buy any more. I'm only in for 30,000, but I wanted to just kind of get in. I thought it was a little too high. I didn't want to chase it because it was in the green. But I thought, you know what? I want to get in just in case it explodes to 30 cents. So I know. And that's why I thought when it was at 12 cents and I bought it at first, I was like, shit, I better get in before it goes to 30 cents. And then it went down to 8 cents. And then I bought more at 10.5 cents. And then I saw it at 8.5 cents. I thought, oh, maybe I should buy some more at 8.5. And then I didn't pull the trigger. And now, hey guys, what's it at? I don't even know. I'm not even watching live. I think I see 10 cents. Is that at 10 cents? So it's up. It's at 10 cents. So it's up 100% right now. So, I mean, it's up 100% on the day. That's not bad. Oh, it's at 10.5. So it's at 10.5 right now. So it's kind of back to where I bought 20,000 shares. I bought 10,000 at 12. So I'm a little high on that one. I should have bought, I was going to buy 20,000 at 8.5. But you know what happened was there was a bid at 8.5 and the offer was at 9. And I wanted to sit at 8.5, but there was too many people on the bid. So I knew I wasn't going to get filled. So I was just kind of like, I didn't get me excited to do the trade. I kind of. No, I know. I just got so many things going on, bro, right now. My head just hasn't been in the trading today. I got to go do an interview with a client downtown. So I just got things going on right now. So I just sold everything today. I'm sitting in cash, so I don't have to think about my stocks. I bought only 30,000. The only thing I bought today was MMS. Macarthur Minerals is the only thing I bought today. And I bought 30,000 shares, small, and I'm sitting in cash waiting for Monday. So I just wanted to let you know, thank you for sharing your story. Everybody on YouTube is watching. Thank you, Joe, once again. Oh, I think I lost them. Hey, Joe. Hey, Joe?
No, I got a phone call.
Hey, buddy, I'm going to let you go. I'm going to let you go because I got to run too. But thank you very much for the pick. Yeah. And have yourself a great weekend.
You too. My other pick was from, just to let people know, I told people buy rhodium. It was at $800 an ounce. I said, wow. buy rhodium. Now what's that? $4,200 an ounce.
All right, buddy.
From 800 to 4,200. If you look at that chart, it was at $9,000 at one point. I see it at $900. I loaded up with that. Now it's 40.
Houston, we have a problem. We are losing Joe. Joe, we're losing you, buddy. I gotta go. Brother. I gotta run, brother. I'll let you go, brother. I'll let you go. Peace. You too, brother. Thank you for everything, man. Thank you for the pick. God bless. Cheers. That's Joe. So I got this pick from Joe. So I got IGNG and oils from Sergio. And that has been a dream. And Sergio is the stock god whisperer. And he holds the Rich TV Live community belt for the community member that has brought the most revenue to our members with one pick ever in the history of Rich TV Live. Sergio holds the belt. Sergio holds the championship belt. Sergio has the Rich TV Live championship belt. Now the question is, who will take the belt from Sergio? Will it be Joe? Now, Joe is bringing Macarthur Minerals, and $4 billion is pretty big. Like, can you guys think of one stock? Can somebody give me one stock that is making $4 billion in 10 years that's trading under 10 cents? Can anybody? I'd love to know if anybody knows of one stock anywhere in the world making $400 million a year and $4 billion in revenue in the next 10 years. Anybody? Or do I have crickets? Well, I have one. I got one. And you might have just got one. MMS. MMSDF. I do own shares in this company. I have not been compensated by this company to do this video. I'm not trying to pump this up. I'm just telling you guys because I want you guys to win, okay? I don't know if this is going to go up. I don't know if it's going to go down. But when I see a stock at 10 cents and they do a $4 billion deal, he told me about MMS before they did the deal. I didn't listen. I was like, yeah, 5 cent stock. I'm more into cannabis. Oh, Rich, it's going to be big. It's going to be big. I'm more into cannabis. Bam, it explodes. So I'm like, shit, Joe was right. Let me get in. So yeah, I paid a little bit more than I wanted to, but sometimes you need to pay if you feel that it's going to go to $1, $2. This is the type of stock that I think with $4 billion in cash could go to a few bucks. I'd love to know if anybody agrees with me or disagrees with me, or if there's any flaws you find in MMSDF. I'd love to know. There's 297 shares issued out, 297 million shares issued and outstanding, which I believe if it's trading at $1 would give it a $297 million market cap, which is still undervalued for a company generating $400 million a year. Think about it. I think this should be trading at least, if it's making $400 million a year, I think it should be trading at least $4. That's my opinion. I'd love to know what you guys think. I don't know. I'm just basic numbers, man. Basic math guy. You know, I'm a mathematics guy. $4 billion, 10-cent stock. $4 billion, 10-cent stock. $4 billion, 10-cent stock. Kronos Group, they got a couple billion. They went to 30 bucks. Canopy Growth, they got 5 billion. They went to like 60 bucks. What do you think's going to happen with a 10-cent stock? Oh, it might be a winner, I think. Could turn into a winner. Company making $4 billion. Like, hey guys, don't buy it because I'm talking about it, eh? Seriously, you guys are going to get me angry. In fact, don't even trade. Don't even trade. Do not buy anything I talk about on my show, and don't even trade. And if you do trade, make sure you trade naked. Okay? Look, I have my clothes on. I am not trading. Do you see any trades happening here? No trades. No trades. So I think in a situation like this, FOMO is very real. I felt the FOMO. Joe gave me the FOMO. Then I saw the news, the $4 billion deal. And I was like, Eureka! We found another winner. Let's share it with the people. Let it circulate. Once again, we are the first to talk about it. It's true. So since we're the first, let's see who copies us next. Who's going to be next to talk about MMS, MMSDF? If Rich is going to talk about it, pretty sure everyone else will talk about it. And maybe it'll just circulate. Maybe it'll circulate. And get bigger and bigger and bigger. My meeting's coming up soon, guys. Stay tuned. I'm meeting the CEO of CNNA. We're going to talk some business. Guys, we are trading naked. If they can date naked, why can't we trade naked? It's in the comfort of our own home. Why the hell not trade naked? If we're winning, why not keep trading naked? Oh, yes, I'm holding MMS. You know the deal. Spin the wheel. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a great weekend. I love you guys. Smash that like button. 136 people watching and 57 likes. Do you have something against me? Do you not like my hair today? Is it because I'm not wearing a tie? Is it my chain? Is it my suit? Is it my Calvin Klein belt? What is it? Why aren't you hitting the like, guys? Come on. 136 watching, 69 likes. Is it something I said? All right, party people. I love you guys. Have a great weekend. If you ain't winning, you ain't watching. This is your boy, Rich. What a week, man. Yo, this is a week for the ages, eh? This is like one of those weeks for the ages. Until next week. Until next week. Stay tuned. I'm out. It's true. I know. I gotta go. Peace.